Well, good afternoon. Finally getting around to making that one video that I know most of you probably been wondering about. And that video is, what am I going to give away? And I've had it, I just hadn't got around to making the video. So, for all y'all has been wondering, I finally making a video. And what I think I will do is run this giveaway until April 15th. We'll have the drawing on tax day. Yeah. I think 15th on a Sunday though, isn't it? I have no idea. Anyway, went to that Harbor Freight parking lot sale here, last week before last or something. Anyway, couldn't really decide on what to get to give away, so I thought, hey, something I've reviewed before, and here it is. Voila! I don't know if you can see it for the light of it's the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Oscillating Multifunction Power Tool. 8 functions. Brand new, still in the box. It'll be brand new, still in the box if you're the lucky winner. I don't know, can you see? Well, it's all backwards. Oh well. There she is. There you go. And this will go to one lucky subscriber. And here's how it's going to work. We'll give it away. I'll give it away around April 15th. I'm not going to say exactly April 15th because something may come up, and then if I give it away the 14th, someone says, well, you said we had till the 15th. Or if I give it away the 16th, you'll say, well, you said the 15th. So someplace around the 15th. I'm thinking the 15th myself. But anyway, for all you who have subscribed to my YouTube channel will be entered. People who have liked my Facebook page will be entered. People who are following me on Twitter, my Twitter followers will be entered. The Instagram followers will be entered. And so if you want extra entries, you follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you share Facebook post, the one with the drawing, you will get an extra entry. So if you'll retweet the Twitter with the entry giveaway, you'll be given an extra entry. If you share the page on Instagram, you'll be get an extra entry. So that's how you'll get, if you want extra entries, that's how you get them. And I'll put the names in this spreadsheet, like, let's say there's 200 people. There'll be a spreadsheet 1 through 200, and I'll go to random.org on or about the 15th, and I'll choose a number between 1 and 200, and whatever number that corresponds with the number on the spreadsheet, you're the winner. So anyway, that's what it is. And I really like this saw. Also, I want to hear in the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, whatever, if you won, what blades would you buy? I have found that buying blades for these things can also be quite addictive, should I say, because there's a bunch of blades for these things that do a bunch of different stuff, and I'm liking it quite a bit. So the price is irresistible. Oh, it's backwards. I keep forgetting it's backwards. Oh well. So I'm just really thrilled with mine. So I figured somebody else would be thrilled, and if you already got one, you can always give it to somebody as a gift. So anyway, that's what the 100th subscriber giveaway is, and now we're already over 150 subscribers. His channel's really growing. So, and I appreciate all y'all who are sharing it, who are telling others, who are mentioned. I've seen Blue Collar DIY mentioned several times on Facebook forums, on contractor forums, on handyman forums. So I appreciate y'all spreading the word, and this is just my little way of saying thank you to the social media forums, people that are out there on social media, getting the word out. And I've got more videos coming up. You know, every day I'm out there. I just finished working 11 straight days. Thursday was my 11th straight day. I took a 3-day weekend. I'm still tired. So anyway, this is a cool toy. I understand this is the entry level one, but so far everything I've needed, it's done. Here on the box, oh, great, phone fell. Oh well, joys of making YouTube videos. On the box it says you can remove grout, you can sand wood, scrape concrete, cut plastic, cut flooring, scrape flooring, cut metal, plunge cut. You can do all this stuff and more with this. So anyway, ooh, thunder rolls. Hey, we're finally getting a little rain. So anyway, hey y'all, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Help get the word out on this giveaway, because the more you help get the word out, the more entries you get. So I appreciate it, and look forward to giving this away, to sending in this one lucky winner. Which reminds me, this is for United States and Canadian viewers, subscribers only. I'm not going to ship this thing halfway across the world. I used to be an eBay power seller, so I know that shipping charges can really get up there. I'm sorry. If you still want to like and subscribe, if you live in Zimbabwe or someplace, I appreciate you, bro. So just other than that, I just have to throw that in there. I'm gonna, you know, I'll eat the shipping charges to Canada if you win. So anyway, thank y'all. Look forward to somebody winning this pretty cool tool. And hey, like and subscribe down here. Like and subscribe, put this on your playlist, and share it to your social media. So hey, look, this is my first giveaway. I've got some ideas for other ones coming up, and I'm pretty excited about it. So anyway, y'all have a good Sunday. This is Sunday here where I'm afternoon that I'm Palm Sunday, by the way. So this is rainy Palm Sunday. So got y'all. Anyway, thank y'all again for 100 subscribers, and we're already over 150, and it's just every day we're just going up. I appreciate it, and look forward to giving this cool tool, the Harbor Freight Chicago Electric Power Tools Oscillating Multi-Function Power Tool. 8 functions, over 30 accessories available. But that's not all. No, it is. So anyway, check y'all later.